Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks for the first week of August. And this week I will be planning with a kit that was actually sent to me very nicely by Helen. She sent me this Planning Roses kit called Time to Relax, specifically for the Hobonichi. So I'm going to go ahead and use that now. Let's get started. First of all, I just want to say how sweet it was that Helen sent these to me. She wasn't using the Hobonichi weeks kit, so she thought she would send them to somebody who would. I don't normally use kits myself, but I thought, why not give these a try? The thing with kits that I really like actually is that they basically give you a sticker for pretty much any place in the Hobonichi layout, so that you don't actually have to worry about where to put these stickers down. And there's some weeks where I think that is fantastic. You don't have to think about it, and I love it. But most of the time, I really do enjoy being able to choose where to put the stickers. Whoa, oh crap, and things like that. So I'm gonna put this down like so. And this one has really, really cute colors in it anyway. But I think I'm gonna actually rip this one and put this like this. Then what I'm then gonna do is put all of the days of the week down the side, which might just take a minute. Normally let's put these all here. Normally I use like a mild liner or my fountain pen to put them down for the week, but this is actually really cute. And I really like the colors in this. It feels very springy, but I do like it. And I think I have the perfect, the perfect fountain pen ink to use for the week as well. And I never turn down being able to use a sticker kit when I can. Now I'm putting these down so terribly crooked. At least I'm not like getting the day of the week wrong, which I did a couple of weeks ago. Now, I've seen those kits where the Hobonichi Weeks date is just one long strip, and it would make it a lot easier to put down versus me doing 7 individual stickers. Then what I'm going to do is take these to-do lists and place them where I would normally draw the line down with my, oh gosh, this is going to be harder than I thought. Yeah, so let's turn this way so that I can actually put these down. Now, it's always easier to take the sticker off first and then put it down. Now, I'm not going to need all of these because this is just a work planner. So I'm not going to need them for Saturday and Sunday. So I don't know why I took them all off. And they're not going to be straight. But this works out well because I do use this portion of the spread for my to-do list. So that'll work out quite well. I don't really need these, so place them back there. And then what I'm going to do, as per a decoration actually, I'm going to put a couple of these Post-its down to the side here, down to the side here as the decoration. Now I don't actually need any of these icons, although I could put the alarm clock ones for, you know, now I just feel like I'm putting stuff down where I don't really need to put stuff down. And then these, I don't know if I'm going to actually use them. I feel like I could certainly put them all the way down there, but you know what, maybe I will. So let's put them down. And that's where they would normally go anyway. We'll see if I actually use them this week. But mostly when it comes to decorating my Hobonichi weeks, it is just about decoration. And that's why I don't normally use kits, but like I said, when I do have them, they're fun to use. And plus, with a kit, there's more chance of me putting a sticker down crooked, right? So, all right, so I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna put this up here with this, just as extra decor. I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and write in my schedule. So there is my overall finished spread. I actually really like the way that it looks, and I'm always happy to try something new, especially when it comes to, it comes with a kit. So thank you so much, Helen, for sending these to me, and I will definitely make use of what you've sent. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.